go, Mike. Go. Mike, connect these shorts here.
Sila go.
She was pretty good. Pretty good.
You dropped it. Yes, you did. There you go. Get that giraffe. Get him. You have to hold on to him. Get his neck. Get his neck. Hold on to it. Get it. Get him, Mama.
Okay, keep posing. Back to pose.
Jessica, I found my toy. I found my toy, Jessica. I found my toy.
He's staring at Mommy.
I found my toy. Take it. Take it. Oh. What's that noise? What's that noise?
And wait till she gets the hang of it.
What's that noise? Shake it. Shake it. Come on. Shake it. Oh. There it is. Yes. Make some noise. Tell Mommy. Tell Mommy. I got it, Mommy. I got it, Mommy. I got it. It's mine.
I'm about to throw it at you, baby.
Chugga, baby. There you go. Come on. You almost had it. Oh, no. Oh, no. Get it, Mr. Giraffe. Get Mr. Giraffe. Get it. You got it? There you go. There you go. Don't stick your tongue at Mr. Giraffe. Don't stick your tongue at Mr. Giraffe. So I love you, Mr. Giraffe. I love you, Mr. Giraffe. Look, we got more noises. Yay! More noises. Look, here's another one.
Overload.
Get it. Oh.
I just figured out how to grab
Look, check out the other one. Come on, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2.
Don't smash yourself in the face with the other one.
What do I do with this one? But what do I do with this one? What do I do with this one? I don't know what to do. Come on, exercise. Oh, we lost Mr. Giraffe. Oh. She got the other Adam.
Hey, sweetie.
There you go. There you go. Oh, we lost one. Okay.
Okay.
Poor baby. She's like, pick me up, damn it.
Bye.